Good morning, AP Biology students. Here are your morning announcements for September 30th, 2021. All right, today we are not continuing to work on, well, you can, you're at home. You can continue to work on your diffusion and osmosis lab. Okay, finish that up. It is due on Monday before the test. Second thing is, you have a transport and membrane quiz that is due on Sunday night. Be sure to find time to do that. Okay? You'll definitely have time tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a work day and review and stuff like that, so you could do it tomorrow. Third thing, Jack and Siha, nicely done. You've already done number 3. I need you all to pop into Pivot Interactives. I left the link on my Schoology page under Pivot. I think it's under Pivot, Cell Surface Area, and Volume. You'll find the link to my classroom there, and then you'll also find an assignment that I want you to go through. Pretty self-explanatory. Go through the questions, answer them already. You actually start with a question that you should already know about the cell membrane, okay? So, or actually it's about passive transport, which is about the cell membrane connections. All right, so shout out to Jack and Sihan for already doing that. Nicely done. Go through that, answer the questions, watch the videos, and go through that. The key thing that AP is looking for is that you understand the connection between surface area of a cell and the volume. It's not always increasing at a steady rate. At some point, it'll drop off, and the cell changes. Okay, so take a look at that. It was a part of your reading briefly. I think there was maybe like one question on the surface area and volume of the cell. So if you did the reading guide, you've got a basic idea of the surface area and volume of a cell. So go through the pivot and do that. Today's about the pivot. Work on that. Tomorrow is a work day. You can work on your pivot if you don't finish today. You can work on your lab, finishing that up. And you can work on the transport quiz. Those 3 things are what we're going to be working on for the next 2 days. Because you are number 1. Number 1. Nicely done. Keep it up, folks. Make sure we're handing things in. Folks who haven't been sending things in, I will send an email to you and your parents starting tomorrow. I'll do that while we have work time in my AP class tomorrow. And it'll give you a list of the assignments that you need to work on. Okay, make sure those get in. So, have a wonderful day, everyone. Fun fact about Mr. Klopp on 9/30/2021 is that my favorite insect is the 13-spotted or the white-spotted longhorned beetle. The more you know. Have a great day, everyone. How's that thing?